Downloading account statements on Zelle is a straightforward process that allows you to keep track of your transactions easily. Follow these steps to download your statements. Step 1. Open your banking app. Launch the mobile banking app associated with your Zelle account. Ensure you are logged in with your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Zelle Transactions. Look for the Zelle section within your banking app. This is typically found in the Payments or Transfers menu. Tap on it to view your transaction history. Step 3. Select the statement period. Choose the time frame for which you want to download the account statements. Most apps will allow you to select specific dates or predefined periods like the last month or quarter. Step 4. Download the statement. Once you have selected the desired period, look for an option to download or export the statement. This may be represented by a download icon or a button labeled Download Statement. Step 5. Save the file. After clicking the download option, choose a location on your device to save the statement file. Ensure you remember where you saved it for easy access later. By following these steps, you can easily download your Zelle account statements and keep your financial records organized.